Parkbuilding De Veentjes by JCR Architecten in Doetinchem, the Netherlands. Parkgebouw De Veentjes was recently completed in Doetinchem in the Netherlands. A residential building, designed by JCR Architecten and developed by Phoenx, was realized on the site of a demolished supermarket on the edge of the city center. The neglected former supermarket was transformed into a modern and vibrant apartment building featuring 75 units. The primary objective was to revitalize the abandoned and deprived part of the city, creating a high-quality urban residential area. This goal was achieved by constructing a courtyard building with large terraces on the outside, a green courtyard, and a shared roof garden. These 75 apartments provide a comfortable and modern living space for residents. The building gives a stunning new addition to the city that brings a fresh perspective to the surrounding environment. The goal was to create a building that not only enhances the area visually but also creates new connections and revitalizes the streets. The building's design has an open and inviting character with surrounding terraces and large glass windows that connect seamlessly with the park. The incorporation of greenery throughout the building, including the park continuing around it and the vegetation in various areas, not only makes the building energy efficient and sustainable but also adds to its urban repair. Our aim is to give a strong impulse to the whole area. The building has a clear structure. The terraces on the ground floor are made of concrete plinth, while those on the higher floors are transformed into a sleek steel structure. This design enhances the building's aesthetic appeal and provides a sense of lightness to the entire structure and its surroundings. The building's entrances open up to the atrium where galleries are located, allowing natural light to penetrate deep into the building. The entrance doors are easily visible, providing residents with a sense of security and overview. The building's strength lies in its clear structure, use of pure and beautiful materials, and the incorporation of greenery inside and outside the building.